Look at them enjoying the white sand beach. Yeah, di ba? Sarap maligo. Pag Miami, ganyan na ganyan lagi. Okay, in 1 hour time, Miami, Florida na tayo. This is my first port of call dito na Pantalan for this contract. So, let's go! Yes po, Miami na po. An hour and a half from now, Miami na kami. I just had my lunch here. I was informed by the second mate who happens to be the officer in charge ngayon na meron na raw kaming piloto at 1400 on arrival. Okay, yan lagi ang aming gustong malaman at para ma-adjust namin ang speed. So marami pong requirements when you call to US ports such as Miami. So marami kaming paghahanda on a routine basis, no? Especially arrival report, yung tinatawag nilang INOWAD. Preparations din po sa the whole na po in general sa barko. Marami namang checklist na pagbabasihan para wala tayong makalimutan. Well, I will not go into details, baka malito kayo. Anyway, yan po ang barko namin. Pasensya na I cannot let you see the internal parts of the ship for security reasons. Yan lang po ang nasa labas at nakikita niyo may lifeboat kami dyan sa ilalim. Si OS nagkabit ng flag. Of course, kailangan ng flag, ng national flag, ng port na pupuntahan nyo, yellow flag for quarantine, red for dangerous cargo. Well, sa puntong ito, palapit na ang pilot boat. Kung nakikita nyo yung maliit na boat na yan. And finally, nandyan na ang boat. Sa puntong yan, dalawa ang pilotong aakyat. Well, real talk lang po, no? Pag kami as kapitan, pag nakita na namin piloto, pa-approach na sa amin, medyo malaking ginhawa na po yan. Yeah. And if you can see the shoreline, that's the shoreline of Miami. You can see the white sand beach. Ang ganda talaga. What else can you ask for Miami? Beaches in white sands. Tingnan nyo. Look at them enjoying the white sand beach. Yeah, di ba? Sarap maligo. Pag Miami, ganyan na ganyan lagi. Lalo na't ang temperatura is getting warmer na. Perfect for the beach. And this time, nandito na kami sa pier namin. Paliko na kami dyan sa aming pier, which of course needs a little bit time kasi nga hindi naman to taxi na papara agad. This time, wala kaming tugboat dyan. Kasi nga, hindi naman kalaki yung barko at hindi naman compulsory sa port. Kaya wala kaming tugboat. And, well, mga piloto rito, napakagaling. Well, you see, kasi nga weekend, Sabado, ang daming boat. Yan na po ang aming pier. And I have good shots here from our pilot, good pilots. Yan si Zach. Yan ating big friend. Yeah, and that's me. Yan lang po. Ciao!